How to log in Snapchat with recovery code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To log in into your Snapchat with recovery code, you will have to toggle on the two-factor authentication, which means every time you try to log in into your Snapchat account, it will send you an OTP code or the recovery code, through which you'll be verified and you'll be able to log in into your account. Now to show, firstly, launch a Snapchat application in your mobile device. Then tap on the login button. Over the password section, go ahead and enter your password. Once you have entered your password, you will find an empty field in which you will have to enter the recovery code. You will find this recovery code in the designated mobile number. If you don't have your mobile number, you can go ahead and switch up to email. Check in your email for the recovery code and enter in the designated field. After that, you'll be automatically logged in into your Snapchat account. By this way, you'll be able to log in on Snapchat with a recovery code. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.